HVAC ductwork is a system of pipes or channels that distribute air for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning in buildings. It plays a crucial role in maintaining indoor air quality and regulating the temperature and humidity levels within a space. The HVAC ductwork system consists of various components such as ducts, dampers, registers, and grills. The system operates by extracting air from the nearby surroundings, effectively filtering and conditioning it before distributing it to various sections of the building through a complex network of ducts. Importance of HVAC ductwork in your home. Properly installed and well maintained, HVAC ductwork is essential for the efficiency and effectiveness of your heating and cooling systems. Here are some key reasons why HVAC ductwork is important in your home. Air distribution. The ductwork system ensures that conditioned air is distributed evenly to all rooms, providing a comfortable living environment throughout the house. Energy efficiency. Efficient ductwork helps minimize energy loss by sealing any leaks or gaps, preventing heated or cooled air from escaping. This not only reduces energy consumption, but also lowers utility bills. Indoor air quality. Clean and well-maintained HVAC ductwork helps remove contaminants, dust, and allergens from the air, improving indoor air quality and promoting better health for you and your family. Noise reduction. Properly designed and insulated ductwork can minimize the transmission of noise, providing a quieter living environment. System longevity. Well-maintained ductwork ensures the proper functioning of your heating and cooling systems, extending their lifespan and reducing the need for costly repairs or replacements. Benefits of properly sized and installed ductwork. Prolonging the life of HVAC equipment. Properly sized and installed HVAC ductwork plays a crucial role in preserving the lifespan of your heating and cooling systems. When ductwork is designed and installed correctly, it ensures the efficient and balanced distribution of conditioned air throughout your home. This prevents your HVAC equipment from overworking and reduces wear and tear on its components. By maintaining optimal air circulation, the system can operate at its intended capacity, resulting in less strain and prolonging its overall lifespan. Cleaner air circulation and improved air quality. High-quality HVAC ductwork promotes cleaner air circulation and significantly improves the overall air quality in your home. The ductwork captures and removes contaminants, dust, allergens, and pollutants, preventing them from circulating throughout the living spaces. Additionally, well-designed ductwork with proper insulation helps prevent the infiltration of outdoor pollutants such as pollen, dust, and exhaust fumes. This filtration system ensures that the air you breathe indoors is cleaner and healthier for you and your family. When properly sized and installed, HVAC ductwork provides a range of benefits, including prolonging the life of your HVAC equipment and improving the air quality in your home. Investing in high-quality ductwork installation and regular maintenance is essential for optimal performance, energy efficiency, and a comfortable living environment. Considerations for HVAC projects and proper sizing. When it comes to HVAC projects and the importance of your ductwork, proper sizing is key. The size of your ductwork directly affects the efficiency and performance of your heating and cooling systems. If the ductwork is too small, it can restrict the airflow and lead to reduced efficiency and increased energy consumption. On the other hand, oversized ductwork can result in uneven air distribution and reduced comfort. Consult with an Hex HVAC technician to ensure proper sizing of your ductwork for the HVAC system. Our team of experts will carefully evaluate your unique requirements, carefully considering aspects such as the dimensions of your residence, the configuration of your ventilation system, and the efficiency of your heating and cooling units. Additionally, proper sizing also involves considering the number of vents and registers in each room. By strategically placing these openings, you can optimize air circulation and ensure consistent temperature control throughout your home.